girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
The dash is dingy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same place I can make them come finish you. Know you be in charge, you just use like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 any people. President's attention, I find we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like Coke on the agent. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm just quick on the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm Coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, these make them go crazy. Man, bitch on the bed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I let you can go. Then got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. Living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes.
What's up everyone, it's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Geeta Hair, and today I'm reviewing this 5x7 HD lace closure unit. This is a curly unit and I do currently have it in 24 inches. It is such a beautiful curl pattern, you guys, and I have been doing a lot of these like 7x5 inch like closure units a lot lately, and the first time that I did it, I believe that I just put it like in a middle part with some baby hairs. I think the second time I might have did like a flip over. I think I also did like a half up, half down. But today I wanted to show you guys how you can pull off this like Y2K trendy hairstyle with this closure unit, you guys. This is not a frontal. I repeat, this is not a frontal. I know it gives frontal vibes, and that's the whole point of this unit. So if you haven't tried one of these units yet, you definitely need to get your hands on one because they are so amazing. Like, it just gives you the frontal look with the closure price. You know what I'm saying? And I just really like how my hair turned out today. This is what it's looking like. This unit does come pre-plucked, so you guys can see here it has a nice gradient effect. It's not like super thick. I didn't have to pluck the edges here either. This is an up close look at like the baby hairs that I did with it, you know, yeah. And you guys see it's giving scalp. I made sure that I put these parts here because I really wanted you guys to still see the parting space. So that's why I chose this particular hairstyle. This is what the edges look like on this side. I have been wanting to try this hairstyle out for like a minute, like a cool minute, but today was the day that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it on this closure unit and just see what it does. And this closure unit is just so unbelievable. Like, the amount of parting space, I'm not gonna lie to you, there are certain frontals that didn't have as much parting space as this closure does. Like, look how far back the part goes, like, and you still have like room over here, but I have all of this like sit down, so I can't show you like behind that part, but you definitely get a lot of room. So if you're looking for a unit that's gonna definitely save you some money, you definitely should look into this one. And the great thing about this unit is that it is a glueless unit, so if you don't want to use any hair products to adhere the unit, you don't have to. And this unit also comes with a pre-cut lace. It has like a zigzag type of lace to it. The great thing about this unit is that it is very dense, so that's why even though I put like majority of the hair up into like this little bun here, I still have enough hair down here to work with, so it doesn't look like too thin or whatever. And this is their 250% density, so this is definitely on the thicker side, but I would say for this to be like 250, it's not too crazy, because sometimes when I get 250% density units, like, they're just a little overwhelming, if I could just be honest. But this one isn't overwhelming. I have majority of the hair up in this bun. You guys probably can't see, but the bun is like right here in the back, and I did take all of this hair up front and put it back there. And then even if you don't want to have that little fuzzy part out, like, it looks good like this too. It's like nice and sleek, and I like that as well. You can put like some little hairpins or something like that in there to like spice it up, like in the top half, like put a bunch of like different ones. But yeah, I like mine with the little fuzzy bun. It just looks so cute. I really like this hairstyle. It's so cute, and it's really easy to do. I know it looks like complicated, but it's really not that hard. You literally just make a part here, slick these two pieces back, and then just put all of it in a bun in the back, and then leave some of the hair out, put a rubber band on it, boop, bow. I know it sounds complicated, but it's really easy. The great thing about this type of unit is that it is a time saver, and it's also perfect for people who are beginners, who aren't really like well versed when it comes to installing a unit. If you want to save yourself some money instead of going to the hair salon and you want to do your hair yourself, this would be the perfect unit for you, because it comes pre-plugged, it has the pre-cut lace, and everything is done for you. The only thing that you would have to do is just bleach the knots on this unit. Time saver, it saves you money, you get the frontal look without the frontal price. I mean, it's just a win-win-win all across the board. And because this is a curly unit, you don't have to worry so much about like flat ironing it out or like adding curls to it like every single day. You know what I mean? It's just pretty much ready to go, beautiful curls. But yeah, so let me show you guys where this unit is hitting me in the back. And like I said, this unit is 24 inches, and for reference, I am 5'2". This is where the unit is hitting me from the side, and then I'll turn around the back, and then this is where it's hitting me in the front without pulling it or anything. But if you pull it, it goes down here. Yeah, you guys, this unit is just super cute. It's a no-brainer for me. So if you are interested, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Geeta Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit because it is so amazing and I am in love with it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am in love, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.